Hi, my name is Peggy, and the procedure I had here at Wright Dental Center was a full arch implant. I could write a book about my story. It started when I probably was in my 20s, just a lot of abscesses, infection that set in. Those abscesses then had me to get crowns. I probably had only 2 or 3 teeth that actually were my natural teeth that weren't capped or crowned. So over the years, the infections kept coming, the abscesses kept coming, the pain that I dealt with was horrendous. And finally, when my teeth started just kind of breaking off at the gum line, even with my crowns on, I knew that I was in trouble.
With Peggy, she was unhappy with the appearance of her teeth, but also she had a lot of root canals, a lot of crowns that she had done over time, and those were starting to fail. She had gone a while without treatment, and some of those were no longer restorable, and she wanted a long-term restoration, not something to last a year or two. She wanted something that's going to be a long-term fix, give her the smile that she remembers from when she was younger that she wanted to have again, and we were able to do that with full mouth implant restorations.
And the moment I went in there, I felt like I was a member of the Wright family. They treated me with respect and told me that they could take care of me.
With Peggy, we were able to take out those bad ailing teeth, the abscess teeth, get out all the bad stuff. We restored her mouth with dental implants, full arch restorations, and you can tell a big difference in just her personality, really opening up. She's a super sweet lady, and to see her kind of open up to us with that treatment and that smile every time that she comes in, it's just really awesome to see that smile when she comes in every time she comes in to see us. It's just life-changing.
I was a nervous wreck on that morning, but the whole Wright family was here. All the dental technicians that I had worked with, everyone in the office. It was like I had my family back in the operating room with me. They called that next day, that next morning, making sure I was okay. And I was in constant contact with someone that was calling me to make sure that everything was fine. And to me, I knew I would have never gotten that type of concern from a bigger dental center. From that very initial visit to when I walked in here today, it's like I come home through the front door. There's nothing negative to say. Nothing negative to say about him, about any of the people in the office, about any of the technicians, his assistants. Everyone here is my family. If you're thinking about getting implants, Wright Dental Center is the place to choose.